Hey family, this is SP News Nuggets, and today you guys, we're going to share with you what happened in court on the Maliyah Bass case. TRAVION Thomas and Sierra ERVIN went to court. Sierra had her attorney speaking for her, and she spoke through the whole interview. So you guys, she's giving us all the insight of what happened. So let's get into it. Let's get it. Here we go. Hey family, this is SP News Nuggets, and today you guys, I want to share with you Nora's closet and all the beautiful things that she has. Everything that a woman loves. This is 2020, you guys. Nora has all your accessories over there. She has your Versace, she has your Gucci, and your authentic handbags. She also has your perfume. If you guys are looking for Chanel or CK or Gucci, this is the place to be. Make sure when you go over there, tell her SP News sent you. You're not going to regret it. Are you a Warriors for Children, and she'll work with you. You can walk on the runway with this one, you guys. I guarantee it.
So today, Ms. ERVIN was brought into court, and the judge heard probable cause on her case, as well as her boyfriend who was charged in this case. Judge found probable cause on both cases. On his case, he was not provided a bond. He will be held in jail without bond. On her case, her total amount is $175,000 bond.
And some of that, did you guys ask for a lowering of the bond?
Correct. As Ms. ERVIN's attorney, I requested that her bond be lowered and that she has had no other criminal convictions or arrests previous to this situation, and have reason to believe that she would do well on bond, and awaiting the next steps in this case.
What happens next? Is there a trial date set yet?
So no, it's early for a trial date at this time. There's still information to be imparted to me as far as what evidence there is that she did commit any of this, right? So far, we've just heard probable cause, which is what he said happened. We have yet to understand or know from her perspective what has occurred in this case. So I expect that we will be learning a lot more about this in the future.
Can you share about what she claims?
Certainly I cannot, right? I am looking forward to more accurate information in the future. But right now, we'll just have to wait since he has now pointed the finger at her.
And so what was in that probable cause, that was him who, I guess, has talked to investigators?
So I know what you know right now, which was probable cause. So in probable cause, they indicated that he spoke with the investigators and blamed her.
Gotcha. Okay. And just, it was hard to hear the prosecutor on there. He was saying something about it was a trash bag or a trash can that Thompson was caught on surveillance video camera?
Right. In probable cause, in open court, the prosecutor indicated there was a trash can that Mr. Thompson was seen carrying.
Okay. And then the other thing I couldn't hear, they said that the child allegedly was beaten the night before the blunt object. Was that allegedly that Ms. ERVIN did it, or Mr. Thompson?
And certainly we're all looking forward to getting information about the child, right? So far, there has not been an official autopsy report to indicate what actually occurred to her. The prosecutor indicated there were marks on the child's body. Now, as to what happened, I don't think we actually know at this time.
But did they say that? I guess was it him that they were saying? Or?
Mr. Thompson indicated from the probable cause that Ms. ERVIN was responsible.
You deny those allegations?
I believe that a more accurate information is going to be coming forward, but I cannot provide that at this time.
Can you provide them with the probable cause? What happened? What's said in the probable cause?
I can tell you in open court that the prosecutor indicated that Mr. Thompson, from his mouth, he blamed Ms. ERVIN for this situation.
Anything else that you would like to mention about guess y'all's opposed to this?
As you can imagine, from any mother's point of view, the loss of her child is indescribable, right? So we are going to do what we can to make sure that Miss Irvin stays well during this period of time.
And she was given a $175,000 bond?
In total, yes.
Was it $75,000 on...
There are two charges that she's been charged with. One is tampering and one is injury. So $100,000 on the injury and $75,000 on the tampering.
What would you like people to know out there? And a lot of people, this is a big case. It's gotten a lot of attention. A lot of people are angry, which is why we're so anxious to carry in there. What would you like people to know about this case? And I guess, what would you say to them?
I say this is a very sad case and will continue to be a sad case. And you know, hold your kids tight, you know. Their kids are beautiful, and they are breakable.
Sounds good.
Your name and your title, who you're representing?
Angela Welton, attorney for Miss Irvin.
Okay, family, let's talk about this a little bit. This is SAHARA Irvin's attorney, and she explained everything to us, but I want to read to you what actually happened. In Harris County, judge found probable cause to charge the mother and the mother's boyfriend in connection with the death of 2-year-old Maliyah Bass, who was found dead in Brays Bayou in August. Now, in probable cause court, a prosecutor said that the mother's boyfriend, TRAVION Thompson, was seen on surveillance video carrying a trash can. In probable cause in open court, the prosecutor indicated there was a trash can that Mr. Thomas was seen carrying. Okay? And I'm going to share with you. I can't remember where it was at, but they said they have video showing him dumping her, just him, into the storm drain. And there was a tree that kind of obscured the view, but it was just him, TRAVION Thompson himself, that done that. Now, that's not saying that she's not involved in the tampering part, because she knew about it. She actually knew about it. So they're going to wait and see what she's saying. Now, both of them got that purple wristband on right there. I don't know what the purple wristband is about. People are asking me, what is the purple? I thought that was for either you're in jail or you went to medical services to see what was going on. She seems like she doesn't want any eye contact with TRAVION. He's kind of trying to look at her. They've already said he's pointing the finger at her. She has not said anything. So we're going to wait and see. We know both grandmothers have spoken out. Both grandmothers saying that they are appalled. TRAVION's mother acts like she doesn't know. She didn't know nothing about it. And, if you know about a crime, you can be charged also. So that's probably why she's like, they're both liars and they're not acting like the child's death is important. They're acting like them lying was worse than anything. But you guys, here you have it in the raw. SAHARA Irvin and TRAVION Thompson in court.
Yeah, yeah.